we have to find the dimensions of molar specific heat capacity. The expression of heat energy required to change the absolute temperature of a gas or molar mass m by delta T amount at constant volume is given by delta Q equal m CV delta T, and it is denoted by capital CV. So capital CV is what? Molar specific heat capacity of the gas at constant volume of a gas at constant volume. Similarly, we should have the same expression at constant pressure, constant volume. Therefore, what will be the dimension of molar specific heat capacity at constant volume? It is denoted by capital CV, not small cv. So it is equal to dimension of heat energy, required heat energy divided by molar mass into delta T. So dimension of heat energy is what? M L square T to the power minus 2. Molar mass, M is molar mass, unit is mole, and delta T is a change in absolute temperature. That's why it should be delta K. Hence K, Kelvin or theta. So dimension of molar specific heat is what? M L square T to the power minus 2 per Kelvin per mole. So this is molar specific heat capacity. Similarly, dimension of molar specific heat capacity at constant pressure will have the same dimensions. Will be same dimension. mL square T to the power minus 2 per Kelvin mole inverse. And here, what is the expression of CV, specific heat capacity? Here, delta Q is what? mCV delta T. This is the heat energy required to change the absolute temperature of a gas of mass m. Here we have molar mass, and here we have to consider mass only m by delta T amount at constant volume. Hence CV, and it is denoted by small cv, has the expression 1 by m. M is the mass, not molar mass. Delta Q divided by delta T. So what is the dimension of small cv? Small cv is equal, dimension of small cv is equal to dimension of delta Q divided by dimension of m into dimension of delta T. And if we simplify, then dimension will be ml square T to the power minus 2 Kelvin inverse kg, and it should be, sorry, here m is what? Dimension of energy is m L square T to the power minus 2, and dimension of m means mass, not mole, capital M, and dimension of change in absolute temperature delta T is K only. K only. So if we move to the next page, then we shall get the dimension of small cv. Small cv is equal to mass and mass will cancel out, L square T to the power minus 2 Kelvin inverse. This is the dimension of specific heat capacity, and we can relate molar specific heat capacity at constant volume is molar mass into specific heat capacity. Then molar specific heat at constant pressure is equal to molar mass into specific heat capacity at constant pressure. And we can memorize another expression, that is Cp minus Cv. Cp minus Cv is equal to R for 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas. Cp minus Cv is difference of molar mass. Cp minus Cv equal to R. Similarly, we can write what? Cp minus Cv is equal to capital R, and this is also capital R for n mole of gas also, not nR. Therefore, the expression of coefficient of thermal conductivity will be K equal Q into X divided by T into area of cross section into difference in temperature theta 1 minus theta 2. So dimension of coefficient of thermal conductivity will be equal to dimension of heat energy into dimension of width divided by dimension of time into dimension of area of cross section into difference in temperature theta 1 minus theta 2. So now we can put the dimension of heat energy Q. Heat energy has the same dimension as that of work done or energy, any type of energy. X is the width of the thermal slab that has the dimension L. Dimension of T, this is the time in which heat energy is conducted through this slab. T has the dimension capital T. A is the area of cross section of the thermal slab. This conducting slab has area of cross section A. So dimension of A is L square. Theta 1 minus theta 2 has the dimension K. So finally we get the dimension of coefficient of thermal conductivity. If we simplify, then this L square and L square will cancel out. So NL T to the power minus 3, T to the power minus 2 by T to the power minus 3 Kelvin inverse. If we check again, then L square will cancel out. This L will become this L. T to the power minus 2 by T is T to the power minus 3 Kelvin inverse. So this is the dimension of coefficient of thermal conductivity and this is the expression of coefficient of thermal conductivity, which is related to the rate of conduction of heat through a slab, conductivity.